Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable DNS over HTTPS, or DOH, in Windows 11 to encrypt your web requests and stop your ISP from tracking which websites you visit. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Network and Internet. Select your active connection at the top, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Scroll down and click Hardware Properties. Find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment and click the Edit button. In the pop-up window, change the drop-down menu from Automatic DHCP to Manual. Toggle the IPv4 switch to On. In the Preferred DNS box, type a secure address like 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare or 8.8.8.8 for Google. Set the DNS over HTTPS to On, Automatic Template. In the alternate DNS box, you can type 1.0.0.1 for Cloudflare or 8.8.4.4 for Google. Set the DNS over HTTPS to On, Automatic Template. Click Save at the bottom. You should now see the word Encrypted listed next to your DNS servers in the Properties window. And that's it. Your web browsing is now significantly more private. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.